Now your CBS 47 Pinpoint weather forecast.
Good evening to you. I'm CBS 47 meteorologist Justin Sacher. Good news here, the winds dying down throughout California. We saw the end of the fire weather warning that was in the LA area today at 6 p.m. And right now wind speeds are fairly light through the state and they'll remain light as we go into the week next week. You can see some offshore winds to the north here causing those maybe 40, 50 knots, but throughout the land and throughout the state here of California, we're not looking at very strong wind gusts. It's still very dry out there. These dew points are down close to freezing, in some cases below freezing, and on the other side of the Sierra, they're even drier at 8-degree dew point in Las Vegas. It's super dry. Temperatures outside right now, you can see that part of California is cooling down from the north on. As we take a closer look right here to temperatures, this is 33 degrees in Shaver, Wawona at 42 right now. It's 52 here in Fresno, but 40s outside of Fresno except for Los Banos, which is at 56 right now. Today's high of 75 now puts us 4 degrees above average because the high that we average now went down from 72 yesterday to 71 today. Overnight lows are still running several degrees below that average. While air quality right now, we've got sensors showing a couple pockets where we have this orange indicating unhealthy air for sensitive groups. We're still going to look at some unhealthy air here and there, but the San Joaquin Valley Air Pollution Control District is forecasting moderate conditions for the overall through the area tomorrow. Dr. Amaminian and the Allergy Institute keeping those pollen levels low from elm and juniper through the next 4 days. Lows tonight, not quite as cool as this morning. We saw some places get very close to freezing, but not quite there here on the valley floor. We're going to be a couple degrees warmer tonight. 45 here in Fresno, highs tomorrow in the mid to upper 70s. So we're warming up a little bit, and we still will see some warmer temperatures in the days to come, even close to 80 as we go through the middle of the week ahead. 79, that's close enough to 80 in Coalinga for tomorrow. Temperatures tonight, Visalia, Tulare, 40 degrees, some upper 30s here in the valley, Carruthers and Selma area, and also looking at a number of 77s here. Tonight, Shaver to Huntington Lake, you see 20s here, 47 up in Yosemite Valley, and highs tomorrow, 60s and 70s for mountain areas for the most part. Your forecast for the Sierra is actually showing temperatures that are staying fairly steady. This blocking ridge of high pressure in the Pacific is basically not letting any other changes in weather affect us. So we're sitting under similar conditions day by day. We do get an extra hour of it tomorrow. Remember to set your clocks back. As temperatures warm up slightly, gently, day by day, we will be close to 80, not quite there. Overnight lows getting a little warmer too. But all in all, not a lot of change coming our way through the week ahead.
All right, and you know our air has been so bad this past week, but you're thinking it's going to get better this week?
It's not going to change too much from here unless we have another wildfire that develops and puts smoke in the air like it has been. Last weekend was just awful.
Horrible.
And it's still hazy out there. So yeah, you do want to be careful, but
Here's hoping no more fires.
Exactly.
Thank you, Justin. Well, don't forget to set your clocks